Hi, we are Christian, Chris, Mia, and Xavi, and today we will be talking about the extinction of the black rhinoceros and what can be done to prevent future losses. The black rhino is one of the most powerful examples of illegal hunting consequences. Its population dropped from about 70,000 individuals in the 1960s to less than 2,500, a decline of 96%. As a consequence, in 2011, the western black rhino was officially declared extinct by the IUCN. The causes behind this tragedy include illegal hunting for horns, habitat loss due to agricultural expansion, political instability that limited protection efforts, and ineffective conservation programs. By the time researchers conducted a range-wide survey in 2002, only 5 individuals were left, and no breeding program exists until it was already too late. This extinction shows how human negligence and poor management can completely erase a species from the planet.
After colonial times, hunting became the main responsibility for black rhinos' population decline. Between 1890 and 1970, tens of thousands of rhinos were killed by European trophy hunters. Even after the trade ban by CITES in 1977, illegal markets continued underground. From 1978 to 1993, poachers killed around 1,000 rhinos every year across Africa. Civil wars in countries like Angola, Mozambique, and Sudan worsened the problem as they increased the number of weapons and reduced park protection, some parks having only a few guards for a whole national park. At the same time, rising wealth in China and Vietnam increased demand for rhino horn and traditional medicine. In fact, by 2015, rhino horn was worth $65,000 per kilo, more than gold or cocaine. These combined economic and political factors made rhino poaching a massive organized crisis.
The loss of rhinos doesn't just affect one species, it affects entire ecosystem. Rhinos eat woody plants and help create open grassland used by other animals like zebra and impalas. In South Africa, researchers found that after just 15 years without rhinos, plant dropped 24% and small mammal abundance by 38%. Reproduction is another issue since females only give birth every 3-4 years. Losing even one female can create 16 years demographic gap. Although poaching had decreased from 5.2% of the population in 2015 to 2.1% in 2024, it remained a serious problem, especially in South Africa, where most incidents occur. Corruption is a key enabler, as almost 30% of convicted poachers in Kruger National Park between 2018 and 2023 were actually park employees.
Studies show that combining prevention measurements like dehorning, GPS patrol, and drone surveillance can reduce poaching by up to 78%. The cost, that is around $2,300 per rhino per person, is even less than the tourism income each rhino brings. Community-based conservation in countries like Namibia has also been successful. When local communities benefit financially from wildlife tourism, poaching drops dramatically. Technology may also help through genetic conservation with projects like biorescue that are using IVF and CRISPR tools to preserve rhino diversity and possibly revive lost traits. In conclusion, the black rhino story is a warning and a call to action. Protecting this species requires strong law enforcement, community participation, and international cooperation. If we fail to act, we risk repeating history and losing more species forever.